In this lecture, we discuss about bubble sort algorithm. What is bubble sort algorithm? Bubble sort is a comparison based algorithm in which each pair of adjacent elements compare by increasing their position by 1 and swap if they are less or greater. This less or greater situation is depends on their order which we want to sort. If the order is in ascending, we want to sort in ascending order, then it will be less than. If we want to sort in descending order, it will be greater than. So on this basis of situations, conditions changes with less than or greater than, and we get ascending or descending order using bubble sort technique. In this sorting technique of bubble sort, there is a logic in which traversal takes place sequentially in several times. Within each step, it compares each pair of successive elements and interchange means swap their position with each other if they are not in proper condition. Swap. Here word swap is used. Swap is a technique under which we can interchange one value with another value. And third point is, in first pass it puts largest element at the nth position, while in second path the second largest element at the n-1th position, and repeat these passes till whole array elements is sorted. So these type of passes will repeat again and again till the whole array is in sorted order. In such a way, this technique works that each heavier element is settled down and lighter element goes upward in direction as bubble, which is the nature of bubble in water. Therefore, this type of technique is named as bubble sort algorithm. That is the reason. Diagram of bubble sort. Diagram representation of bubble sort shows three passes. In these three passes, there is an array of maximum size 5. Each element pair situated at successive positions are compare and swap. As shown in pass 1, there is a element having values 7 and 1. Compare each other. After comparing, it swaps their position because 7 is greater than 1. It should be after 1. So after swapping, in second step, it compares 7 compares with 9, and this is comparison is in ascending order, so never change, never swap, while it again successive position step up by 1 and goes on 9 and third position, and after that it compares 9 and 3. These 9 and 3 comparison is not in order because 9 is greater than 3, it should be after. Therefore it does swapping, and after that this step, one position of successive elements is increased by 1, and this position will compare with 9, swap 9 with 5, which is also a disorder. So after swapping, it will after sorting completion in one pass, we will get 1 7 3 5 9, and 1 is situated at 0 location. Array name is here array, while position is 0. Array name is array with position 1, there is a 7. At array name with position 2, there is a 3, and array name with 3 position, it is 5. At array with 4 position, it is 9. So after one pass, this is the situation. In second pass, again it starts from initial state of successive elements and do it compare 1 with 7, doesn't change, it step up by 1 and compare 7 with 3. In next step, it is in disorder, so it will be swapped. It step up by 1 and goes on. Next step, compare with 7 and 5, which is also in disorder. After swapping, it goes on step 5, and where already sorted, it compares 7 with 9, which is in order. So at second pass, we will get 1 3 5 7 9, 1 at array 0, 3 at array 1, 5 at array 2, 7 at array 3 position, and 9 at array 4 position of maximum size 5 array. Now we will go on third pass. In third pass, it also starts from initial again and again till the whole array is sorted. These passes may be number of elements, but in this pass we have already sorted array, but no matter it is sorted or not sorted, it should repeat all passes again and again at n-1 times. N is the number of elements situated in array. Maximum size of array means 5. Here in our case, n is 5, and according to formula of n-1, these passes will be 4 passes, because n-1 means 5 minus 1, that is 4. So it again and again compares from initial to end position, its successive element increasing by 1. We will got sorted array. Here in this lecture we discuss about bubble sort algorithm. What is a bubble sort algorithm? Bubble sort algorithm begins with bubble sort list. First we have to understand what is an algorithm. It is a general high level language steps to perform any specific task. It is a written steps in which we have to perform any specific task. These steps may be in high level language. High level language means user understandable language. This language may be of English, this language may be Hindi, this language may be Sanskrit. So that means any language in which we write down steps of doing any specific task, these are known as algorithm. Now we have to discuss bubble sorting algorithm to perform bubble sort in an array. In bubble sort algorithm, first step is begin bubble sort module. Means we can create a bubble sort function which is called by main program. And in this bubble sort algorithm function, second step is for loop, which is used for repeating all elements situated in list. This loop repeats itself again and again as the number of elements given inside an array. Third step is check the condition whether the position array I is greater than its successive elements position array I plus 1. Then fourth step is swap, which is called only when the condition of if is true. The condition of if given in third step will become true, then this fourth step will be called, and this fourth step will use for swapping, means interchanging their position of I with I plus 1 values. This will run only if condition will true, otherwise it will skips. Fifth step is and if, and sixth step is and loop of step 2, and seventh step is return sorted array list, which we will get using bubble sort function. This function will gives us a sorted array which will be returned to our main program. And that is the end of bubble sort in 8th step. These are the algorithm of bubble sort, means steps of bubble sort technique which is followed by bubble sort.